Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. I hope this year has been great for you so far. Today I'll be showing you how to make an easy fried rice recipe. This is a quick and easy recipe. In a pan, add some olive oil, and to the olive oil we will be adding some chopped up garlic and some sliced onions. I will be cutting my onions a little big because that's just the texture I want for this recipe. I wanted some big chunks of onions, but never mind, it would end up being translucent anyway. So you stir all of that together until your onions is looking nice and just a little bit soft, just borderline translucent. Anyway, so this is what you would have, and then we continue to stir that up. Then the next step is to add the frozen vegetables and just cook that up for a few more minutes, not too long. And then now we would start to season our vegetables. I'll be adding some seasoning powder, white pepper. You could use black pepper or cayenne pepper or any pepper you like, some garlic salt, and again, you can use any kind of salt you like. This is just my preference. This is what I have. You can use normal sea salt or onion salt, or leave out salt if that's your thing, but always remember, customize any recipe you see on my channel to your preferences. Okay, the next thing I'll be doing is add some cooked rice. So this is the trick, right? You want to use day-old rice, at least day-old rice. So this is some basmati rice that has been cooked a day before and cooled off, and this would allow you have like single, I don't even know what to say, but basically your rice will be just single bits and not clumped up together. We would be mixing this together, kind of stir frying it real quick. You don't want it to stick to the pan or get burnt. I'll be adding a little bit of soy sauce, not a lot of soy sauce, for this recipe. I just wanted to add just a little bit of soy sauce because I usually make this rice when I'm meal prepping. I'll still be serving it with some grilled chicken or some stewed chicken with some more vegetables, so I didn't want to do too much with the rice. Now I'll be adding some bell peppers. I try to add as much vegetables to any meals that I make because I'm really trying to eat as much vegetables as possible, and bell peppers is just a quick and easy, delicious way for me to have vegetables every time I eat. So at this point, the rice is almost ready. I'll just be finishing it up with some toasted sesame seed oil for just an extra flavor, and then I will be adding some scallions and a little bit of parsley to just bring everything together. So if you have stuck with me till this point, I hope you enjoy this video. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have new videos every week. I was a little late the past couple of weeks because life happened, but I try as much as possible to post new videos regularly on my channel. And I would also be showing you how I prep my meals for the week. I'll show you a picture of what this rice looks like by the time I meal prep it. And you can also check on my Instagram for pictures of like my weekly meal preps. So that's all for today, guys. Really, thank you so much. Until next time, have a great one, guys. Bye.